Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a how-to wing eyeliner tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I do my signature cat eye wing liner look. People always ask me how I do my wing liner, so hopefully this video helps you. And this will be the first of our how-to series, so make sure you stay tuned. So for today's video, we are using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Liquid Liner in the colour 001 Black Noir. I like to use the pot liquid liners because I find it easier. You can dip back in to wet it. It's much easier than shaking a pen when it gets dry or using a gel liner. This one's quite a nice, small, thin one. So we want to start off by lining your lower lash line to the end of your brows. And just draw a nice straight line. I actually got this tip off Taylor Swift a few years back. I learned this is how she did it because I used to start from the middle. So you just want to flick out because you want the end to be a bit sharp. And then when you bring it back in, you don't want to touch it from the end, if that makes sense. You just want to use it as a guide because you want it to be sharp, and then make contact and bring it in about 3/4 of your eye, sort of the end of your pupils, and then you just want to colour it in, and then that's your wing done. And I like to do my liner from sort of the middle of my eye. This makes your eye look bigger and gives you that cat eye effect. So what you want to do is just draw along the lash line. Sorry, I was trying to figure out an angle that you would be able to see in the camera, but it's quite difficult. But you just want to draw along your lash line, and this way you can also control the thickness that you want, and then connect it to the end so you can make it as thick as you like. And then you've got that little gap in the middle which you want to sort of line with the arch of your brows. Now you just want to connect that to make it smooth and curved. This is angles, okay? If you want to learn angles in school, this is what we call makeup math. And that's pretty much it. I did go back to fill in that spot that I sort of missed at the end. I saw that spot. And we just do the other side as well. This helps it to even out as well. I know your eyebrows can be sisters, but so can your liner, but try to get it as close as possible. So yeah, you just do the liner to the lash and connect it in the middle there. It's just as easy as that. And if you make any mistakes, I can do another video for that. To sharpen it, I do use either a Q-tip or tissue and just sharpen it out to rub it off. If you use micellar water, it kind of takes the makeup off underneath. But that's it. So this is the final eye look. Hopefully it looks matched. So that concludes our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Basically the eyeliner look, it's just years of practice for me. I've been doing it since I was 14 and I'm 27 now, so don't feel overwhelmed or discouraged. You'll get there, and do whatever is the easiest for you. I think this is the easiest way for me. So yeah, I hope this helped you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!